This is for Year 11 methods. We're going to look at exercise 2b, question 6b. So a line has a gradient of -6 and passes through the points with coordinates 1, 6 and b, 7. We're essentially solving for b. Okay. Now we've actually got enough information to solve for b. We've just got to know what equation to form. Okay. And the equation you're going to use, or the formula you're going to use, is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's how you find the gradient if you're given 2 points. Okay. Now, it's sort of a twist on this question because we already know what the gradient is. The gradient happens to be -6. Okay, so I know my m, and I know bits and pieces of my y2, y1. Well, y2 and y1 we already know, because if 7's my y2, then 6 will be my y1. So I'll just go 7 minus 6. Now, the bottom bit, x2 minus x1, we don't know our x2, but we do know x1. So our x2 is our b. So I'm just going to use short lowercase b. And my x1 would be my 1. Now, all I need to do is just solve the equation, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify the numerator on the right-hand side. So that would be 1 over b minus 1. Now, how do I solve this equation? All I need to do is I just flip it. So flipping means reciprocating it. So I'm just, if this is -6, you can write it as -6 over 1. If I flip both sides, so if I flip one side and I need to flip the other, this will be -1 over 6. If I flip that side, I get b minus 1. All I need to do is simply add 1 to both sides. So b would equal 1 minus a 6. Okay, so what I've done here is I've moved the 1 here, it becomes positive, so b equals 1 minus a 6. So 1 minus 6 would equal to 5 on 6. Because if you minus a 6 from a whole, then you're left with 5 out of 6. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of how to approach questions like 6b. So it's just a matter of plugging in what you know and solving for the unknown.